Hello, dear friends. Welcome to video number 2 in my Christmas decorating series for 2022. I'll be decorating my entryway hall table in a Santa theme. I hope you enjoy it. The most festive and wondrous season is upon us. Welcome to my Christmas decorating series for 2022. Here's the table I'll be working on today. You can see we have a blank slate here. I will also decorate the wall above it and then just to the sides of the table. So we start off with this riser here, and I'm going to place on that this beautiful Santa lantern. I really love this guy. He's got this great black and white check pattern on his hat there. You know that I love that look so much. It reminds me of MacKenzie-Childs. And just to the base of that, I'm going to add this pick in felt. I believe these are lamb's ears, and they have some great white picks there, very Christmassy. And then I'll just finish that off with a red ornament right in the middle there. And so these are the colors that we are going to work with today on this table, these light greens and red. So here's a little cake stand with a green trim there, and it's the perfect size to hold this great green shimmery glittery tree. This tree is nice and tall and really makes a beautiful statement. So at the base of this here, I'm using these fern picks. I know we don't normally think of fern for Christmas, but I think that the color in these picks is perfect for this display. So I'm using that, and I'm going to add a couple of those same red ornaments right inside, and that helps to balance out the look there. And then I will be trying to hide those stems sticking out. So here to the left of our first Santa is this Santa wearing a beautiful red and white checked coat. I love this guy as well. I love these old-fashioned Santas. He is sitting in a Christmas candle ring. And that candle ring is atop this cylinder box. What I did was I took the lid off and flipped the box upside down and just placed Santa right on top. And so over here, I'm going to take the lid of that box that you see right there, also with a check pattern, which matches nicely with the Santa there. There was originally a flower on top of that lid there. I took the flower off, and I'm just going to place this cute little Santa figurine. So we definitely have a Santa theme happening here, and I'll show you the inspiration piece in a little bit. But first, I want to just give you an overview of what it's looking like so far. That's it there. I'm really loving the combination of this lighter green with bright red. I think it just looks beautiful. It almost has a soft look to it, which I really like. We are going to add something to the sides of the table here to give it real presence. So here we go. These two tinsel trees you've probably seen me use at or in past Christmas videos. I do like these. They're on each side of the table here. They're the perfect shade of green. And I think it helps to really fill in the space because this wall in my entryway is quite long, and we sort of need to really beef it up. Now here I have a little, we have a little nail in place, and I'm taking this piece here. This is a wonderful tea towel that I framed and placed above this display here. And this is the inspiration piece for this whole look here. This is a tea towel, an actual MacKenzie-Childs tea towel that was a gift from a very lovely old YouTube friend, Rebecca Ann. Rebecca Ann doesn't really do videos anymore, but I'm going to link her channel anyway in my description because she has done some past Christmas videos that really were quite lovely, and I would love for you to watch them if you haven't checked those out already. In future videos, I will show you how I decorate this area here in my entryway, as well as the stairs. I'll be doing this whole sort of banister area here. And then as well, this door that's just off of the entryway. And when we're done, this whole entryway here will look really quite wonderful, I think. So I hope you'll join me for future videos to come.